Article 44 of the Indian Constitution. Imagine a country where inheritance rights differ depending on your faith or where marriage laws vary by region. This is the reality of India, where personal matters like marriage, adoption, and inheritance are governed by religious laws specific to each community. But within this diversity lies a question that has sparked a debate for decades. Should India strive for a uniform civil code, a set of common laws applicable to all citizens regardless of religion? The answer lies in the Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, a directive principle that sets the stage for this ongoing conversation. Article 44, in its concise form, states the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. While seemingly straightforward, this provision dives deep into the complexities of balancing a nation's rich cultural tapestry with the ideals of equality and secularism. Proponents of the Uniform Civil Code argue that it fosters national integration by breaking down religious barriers. Currently, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and others follow their own set of personal laws. This disparity can create a sense of otherness and hinder social cohesion. A uniform civil code, they argue, would promote a sense of unity and shared identity as Indians, transcending religious affiliations. Furthermore, the Uniform Civil Code is seen as a tool for achieving gender equality. Many personal laws are considered discriminatory towards women. For example, inheritance rights for daughters might differ based on religion. A uniform civil code could ensure equal treatment and empower women by granting them uniform rights across the board. However, the idea of a uniform civil code faces significant opposition. Critics argue that it undermines India's cherished diversity and cultural autonomy of religious communities. They believe that personal laws are deeply intertwined with religious faiths and traditions, and a uniform civil code might infringe upon the right to practice one's religion freely. Another concern is the potential for social unrest. Religious minorities might feel their way of life is under threat if a uniform civil code is imposed without their full acceptance. Building consensus and ensuring a smooth transition are crucial to the success of a uniform civil code. The debate surrounding the Uniform Civil Code is further complicated by the fact that Article 44 falls under Part 4 of the Constitution, dealing with directive principles of state policy. These principles are not enforceable by courts but are meant to guide the government in its lawmaking endeavors. This gives the government some leeway in its approach to the Uniform Civil Code. Over the years, the judiciary has weighed in on the Uniform Civil Code. Landmark judgments have emphasized the need for a uniform civil code while acknowledging the sensitivities involved. The ultimate decision to implement and the nature of the uniform civil code rest with the government, which requires careful consideration of public opinion and religious concerns. The question of a uniform civil code remains a work in progress in India. While the ideal of a unified legal framework holds considerable weight, navigating the complexities of religious identity and social harmony requires a nuanced approach. Ongoing discussions, interfaith dialogue, and a commitment to finding common ground are essential before India embarks on a uniform civil code that truly serves all its citizens. To conclude, Article 44 is a testament to India's continuing quest to balance unity and diversity. As the nation grapples with this challenge, the Uniform Civil Code serves as a focal point for discussions on national identity, religious freedom, and gender equality. The path forward demands a delicate balance between upholding tradition and embracing a vision of a truly egalitarian India.